Happy Friday, everyone. And if you were with us last week, you were with us for our tour of the wonderful amenities in Altos del Maria. And I promised you that we were going to do house tours next, and that is what today is all about. But before I get started, I want to do my little housekeeping. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you click notify. And if you have any questions about Altos del Maria or anything else Panama, whether you're looking to move here, you already live here, or you want to come here on vacation, make sure you join the I Go Panama Face group. Thousands upon thousands of people ready to help you with any questions you might have. So that's going to be linked below as well. All right, so we're going to head out with Connie, go and tour some houses, and at the end, I'll come back and give you a little bit more information. All right, we're going to do something really fun today. Connie is going to take us around to see some different houses that are for sale and for rent here in Altos, so you can kind of get an idea of the market here and what you can expect to pay and what you would get for that kind of money. Connie is beautiful and articulate, but has zero interest in being on film, so I'm going to be relaying all of her messages to you. Well, you can see that it is just tucked back here on a beautiful lot among all these mature trees. You can barely see a neighbor. I mean, I see the roof of one there. You can't see a neighbor, so it's absolutely stunning. It's a little dark in because I'm not going to turn on every light to film. I'm just trying to give you an overview. So you walk in and you go down the stairs, and that will bring you into a little sitting area here. Again, windows out to nature. A little dining area here. Back up the stairs will put you into the kitchen. A really nice modern kitchen. We really like these cabinet doors on here. This kind of open thing, it allows the airflow through. It's nice. But a nice modern kitchen. From the kitchen, I'm just wandering. I don't know where I'm going. Here's a little office. Tons of built-in storage. Pantry with a deep freeze. Your stackable washer dryer, a door that I assume goes to the outside. Okay, we'll come back through the kitchen, back downstairs into this little dining area, and look at all this glass. Look at what this opens out onto. I mean, it is just, okay, I give up on that. I'll go back outside in a minute. But look at this pool. Look at this nature. It is stunning. Okay, so down the hall, you can, let's see, go to the right. It's going to take you down some stairs into, she's cleaning, so please ignore that. But closet, nice size closet, nice size bedroom. That again has all this glass, opens out onto the pool, just beautiful. Bathroom in here. So you can see a nice modern bathroom, shower, sink. Then from this bedroom, into the master. Okay, so you have a very nice walk-in closet, great size with built-ins. Opens to your own private patio. And a nice master with double sinks. All right, so I think this is just 2-bedroom, but I'm gonna go back and check with Connie. Then we're gonna go look at outside. Okay, so I'm outside now on the patio area. This pool is gorgeous. Okay, so all of this green space that's back here, one of the really cool things about Altos is that when they developed the community, they pre-planned in a lot of green belts. So areas that will never be developed, they will always be green. And this is one of those areas. So you never have to worry about neighbors building and obstructing your view and cutting down your trees. So there's a little outdoor kitchen area here. And Brian will get out of the way. We have a little patio here, and we're not going to go in the casita, but there's a little casita down here as well. Is that 1 or 2 bedrooms?
1.
It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath little casita. Look, guys, I'm going to link this down in the video description. So if you want all the information on the house, you can check it there. So quiet, green, beautiful, modern. Gets a thumbs up. Okay, we're going to head out to the next property. One thing Brian and I really love about Altos is the diversity of homes in the community. No 2 houses are alike. This is not a cookie cutter subdivision kind of suburbia thing. The houses here are just amazing, and there is a house for everyone's taste here in Altos. So we're not going to go in this house because it's not for sale, but we want to show you like an example of a very modern home. Lots of glass, beautiful mountain views. Look at this yard, beautiful landscaping. Just so private. That's what another thing we like about Altos is that the majority of the lots, even though you might have a neighbor that's close, it's just so private, the way that everything is designed and put together. So you have a patio. It looks like maybe they're like, this one's vacant and maybe they're doing a little construction, but I mean, you've got more walkway down here. Like, I'm not sure how far this property goes, but just stunning. And then let me try to get through here. You can see kind of that modern style architecture. All right, we're off to go see place number 3. All right, so our next house is going to give us a completely different idea of architectural style here in Altos. So we came down a little side road, turned down this driveway, and check this out. So look at these Spanish tile roof on here. It looks like old, right? And that it needs to be replaced. No, no, no. This is antique, okay? So this is not like old stuff that you would have to replace. It's beautiful antique that just lends to the charm and beauty of this home. All this wood, I absolutely love. This entryway with the arch, just stunning. So I've never been inside this home before. I had been in that first one. So this one's brand new to me. The mosaic, just the little details that they have in Altos I really like. Oh, wow. Wow, I like high ceilings. That is a high ceiling. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so this house is, she was saying about 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, something like that. Again, I'll link it below. Beautiful modern kitchen, beautiful living room. You have a pantry here with laundry, which it's dark so you can't see. The little water feature here. Mm-hmm. So cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this infinity pool. Are you kidding me?
Sold it to the current owner.
Look at these views. Look at this porch.
I don't know exactly.
Oh, okay.
But it's just.
This is stunning. Okay, I'm gonna have a hard time getting from outside inside because I love the outside so much. There's a wall, if you see right here, there's a wall. It actually goes around the entire property, so the property's walled in. So if you had pets, then you're all set. I love a good porch. This one has it. All these trees. No, it's fine.
There's a river down below.
I hear. Oh, look at that little bridge.
Yeah.
Look at this bridge down here, guys, with the red railing. And there's a little river that's running through there. Oh, this place is stunning. Okay, so let's go in and start checking these out. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom with full bath. It's very nice, spacious, these high ceilings. Oh, me gusta. Beautiful bath with gorgeous detail on the tiles. Yeah. 2 sets of French doors. Closet, which is dark, sorry. Like I said, I'm not taking time to turn on everybody's lights. Okay, so let's go see what else we have. What's in this door?
Just storage.
That's just storage? Okay, so you have a storage room here.
Guest bedroom.
Another guest bedroom. Very similar to the last one. Oh, except it opens. Wait a second, this must be the bathroom. No, that's like a closet. That's a closet. So this one doesn't have a bathroom. Okay, so we walk through here. Oh, here's the bathroom. There we go. So that's the bathroom for this one. Just a half bath. Okay, then, sorry, I've never been in here. You guys are just coming along with me. All right. Now I've got to find the master. So that's the tricky part. Let me go back out the door. It's like a maze. It's beautiful. And the furniture in here is beautiful too. I'm telling you people. All right. And I want you, as I'm going through, just kind of guess. Because this is like one of me and Brian's favorite games is like, guess how much this thing costs. Okay, so this is the office with a little day bed. And so the master must be down here on the far end. Oh, look at that adorable gate down there. Where does the gate go to, Connie?
The secret garden.
The secret garden, shut up! Okay, I'm going to the secret garden after I see the master. All right, so here, I'm gonna get the lights on in here, just so you can see, maybe I won't. There's a little light. Okay, so master with a tub, which is something you don't see in Panama a whole lot. And a beautiful, modern bath, big closet, beautiful shower. Okay, that's the house, guys. Now, Connie has to take me to the secret garden. That's our next stop. I'm heading down to go to the secret garden, and Brian's like, did you see the outdoor shower? I'm like, no, this place is full of surprises. This is amazing. Check this out. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, it needs a little work, but wow, so super cute. Love it. Okay, so this is the guest casita. A lot of homes in Altos have little guest houses. So this one actually only has a half bath. So if you're staying here, you use the outdoor shower, which sign me up. Okay, when you tell me there's a garden at a place, I'm already like, what? When you tell me there's a secret garden in a place, I'm like, oh yeah. Okay, this gate is beautiful. This is so fun. Okay. What? All right, I now know the direction my entire YouTube channel is going in. I'm going to just go visit homes all over Panama because this is the most fun I've had in I don't know how long. Look at this. This is so fun and so relaxing. Oh my gosh. And it really is a secret little garden. And you can hear the river. Oh. This is a good size lot, guys. Good size. I'm not going to go all the way down, but wow. This is lovely. Check out this beautiful little archway with the purple Thunbergia. Oh, this place, guys, it's enchanting. Absolutely enchanting. Okay, next house. Check out this view. This peak right there is called Pikachu. Pikachu? It's called Pikachu. Pikachu, like Pikachu, almost like in a Pokemon. Okay, so we're gonna go and check out this little house. It's currently available in unfurnished. All right, let's go in. All right, so you can see that the driveway is going to come down into this nice carport area, which has a lot of built-ins for storage. Is this part of their lot here, over here, or not? This is.
But not a whole bunch.
Okay. Oh, I see where the line is. Yeah, okay. You can see where the property line is right there. All right, and Connie's gonna let us in. Okay, so again, this one is unfurnished. It's empty right now. It's both for rent and for sale. So I'm gonna have you tell me what you think. Okay, so we have a little half bath as we enter. Come into a nice large living room with the beautiful high ceilings, tons of glass across the front, a really nice modern kitchen with beautiful wood cabinets. Oh, look at that color on those. Those are really, really nice. Okay. All right, so if we go down this little hall from the kitchen, big pantry, you can put tons of shelving in there. And then here you have a good utility sink with your laundry. So this house definitely has some interesting things going on. Here we have one bedroom, could be an office. Beautiful views out the window. But I think this outside's always better than inside. That, like, where do you even get a better view than that? I don't even know. That is stunning. So you have a yard down here that's just ripe for some beautiful plants, but wow, sitting out here, having a little snack and a drink and looking at that, whew, that's beautiful. Okay, so now let's go check out these other bedrooms. So, good sized bedroom, nice built-ins, nice bath, big shower. Okay, and the last one, so it's 3 bedrooms. 2 of them are en suite. Oh, this is a big bathroom. Oh my gosh, with a really big closet. Awesome. Okay, so that's it for this house. I want you to play a guessing game. How much do you think it is for rent? How much do you think it costs to buy? I'll put all the stats up. You can guess, and then I'll put the price up. And of course, it'll be linked below. All right, I hope you guys had as much fun touring those houses as I did, but we're not done. We have 3 more houses to go, and I could not put all 6 of them in one video. It would be like, you know, I'd have to serve popcorn and drinks. So next week, we're going to continue this series, and we're gonna visit 3 more houses. One of them is going to be the one that Brian and I seriously considered purchasing. You don't wanna miss that one. All right, but you also don't want to miss any of our videos. Click subscribe, hit notify, and make sure you join the I Go Panama Facebook group linked below, where we will answer all of your questions. So until next week, happy house hunting.